an airplane and computers out of spare parts from any old computers that were going to be trashed.
And woods, we built a pen that stood up by a magnet when it was in the tube.
We're doing masonry right now, which is we just made like a stepping stone with with rocks, like glass rocks and stuff.
This is a concrete thing that we decorated, and this is a wind chime right here.
We went to robotics and we started making things from cyber chips. We also did metals where we wielded a wind chime. And we're also doing stationery right now where we can use burnt wood.
We made a shelf. We got to cut it out with metal cutting equipment, and it was pretty neat because we got to grind it out when it was all done and stuff.
My favorite thing to make in camp was an airplane and computers.
My favorite part of the CTE camp was the welding. It was so much fun, and they help you with really whatever you can.
My favorite part is probably burning the wood or making the stuff out of robotics.
But I really liked the masonry. We got to make a stepping stone in like a cup area.
My favorite part was going and being able to do like all this different stuff and being able to like experience the different things that I probably would never have even thought of trying before.